today's Ethereum analysis on weekly time frame, as I have told you in my previous analysis, we had this level of resistance for the price, and the price went near to that level, got rejected from that level, and we had a nice engulfing candle. I told you that we can risk somewhere here and enter a long-term sell position. If you are trading based on support and resistances, you can risk somewhere here and enter sell position with a stop loss above the candle and get your reward in the future. Right now we are in profit by this candle here on this weekly candle, but also for second confirmation we can wait for this trend line to be broken to the downside, and we can enter a long-term sell position on Ethereum. Or actually, if we are holding some Ethereum coins, we can actually sell them and close our actually sell positions if you are trading, because we can see lots of a lot of price dump in the Ethereum price if this trend line can be broken to the downside and weekly time frame, which has 4 touches on that. Okay, all we should do is to wait for a weekly candle to break it to the downside, or wait for a daily candle to break this trend line to the upside. Okay, then we can actually enter a long-term buy position. Okay, or actually if we want to buy some Ethereum coin, we can buy it after break of this trend line to the upside. Okay, but right now we have these levels of support for the price. As you can see, we have this level of support in the 4-hour time frame, which the price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. And when the price comes returns to this level, it touches that and gets shadow like this one, once here, second time here, and we have it touching this one here. Okay, this level of support here, the price was going up and touches a level and starts falling. Okay, this is how I identify support and resistances. Okay, I don't say that we have a 3 or 4 touches on this level, so this is a nice level of support. That's true, but the way I do draw the support and resistances are like this, and most of the times they work for me. We had this level of support, the price touching exactly that point and giving us a pin bar, which is a signal to enter buy position somewhere here with a stop loss below the candle, which I did myself. Of course, there is no 100% sure in the market, and this is not a financial advice. Okay, but you can enter buy position somewhere here, put your stop loss below the candle and look for your reward. Okay, and your reward can be this trend line here, the touch of that, and you can close your position there and wait for its breakout to the upside and enter buy position again. And also we have this level of support, the price was going up and it makes a correction, touches a level and continues going up. So this is a nice level of support for the price. In the future, if the price drops more, we can actually enter buy position if we see a nice candle on this level of support too. Let's check 4-hour time frame to see what we have there. Yesterday and today the markets were closed, and we have the less volume in the market, so that's why we are making lots of shadows from upside and downside. Okay, and the market is actually a bit range here in the lower time frames. But also we can have some mindsets about market, a trend line like this one from downside with 3 touches on that, another trend line like this, and when we see this shadow out of the trend line, we will extend it. But right now the candle is not closed, and it can close its body above this, that we can say it is a breakout to the upside and enter buy position. Okay, the candle gonna close after something like 2 hours and 20 minutes. We should wait for this much of time and to see how this candle close. If it close like this, we're gonna extend our trend line. If it doesn't and the body break it to the upside, we can have a buy position, but I don't enter buy position in that time, because I'm not trading on Saturdays and Sundays. Yeah, let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see what we have there. On 1 hour time frame, the same things on 4 hour time frame, but we can also draw resistance area like this one and wait for the price rejections from this level, and or break of the price to the upside. We can have a buy position on 1 hour time frame. This is my mindset about 1 hour time frame. Let's check 15-minute time frame to see what we have there. On 15-minute time frame, if we ignore this trend line here, we can draw a resistance line like this one. The price was going up and touches a level and starts falling, right? So this is a nice level of resistance for the price, and when the price returns to that level, we will check 5-minute time frame to see what we have there. As I told you, I didn't check the market because I'm not trading today. We have this kind of candle, but the size of the candle is too much big, okay? If you enter sell position here with a stop loss above the candle, your reward too gonna be somewhere here, okay? And you know, it doesn't mean that it's not gonna give us our reward, but it is illogical to enter these kind of positions. But you can risk on them and enter sell position here with a stop loss above the candle and get your reward. Let's check 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, as you can see, we have this nice pin bar on this level of resistance. If it wasn't Sunday today, I would have entered sell position here with a stop loss above the candle and get my reward, which it is gonna be like this one. Risk to reward too, and it is our target can be this trend line here too on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's check 1-minute time frame. On 1-minute time frame, you know, because why we are not trading on Saturday and Sundays is because market touches our stop loss too much rather than other days, okay? Because of less volume in the market, doesn't move too much and it touches our stop loss most of the times. We have these trend lines for the price on 1-minute time frame. With the break of any of them to the upside or to the downside, ignoring these trend lines in the bigger time frame, we can enter buy and sell positions based on that. Okay guys, it was all about today's analysis of Ethereum. Thanks for watching. It is breaking it to the upside right now. As I drew that, we're gonna wait for something like 50 seconds, but I'm not trading. You know, you can risk on that. Of course, when I'm uploading this, you're gonna see the result of this, not the actually setup we have entered. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will be really happy to answer them. Any questions you can have, if you have any questions in the about trading and financial markets and such things, you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.